my kitchen. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Mardi Gras king cake out of cinnamon rolls. So for this recipe, you're going to need cinnamon rolls, and you want to make sure they are the pre-rolled version and they are uncooked and include a package of icing. And you're also going to need Mardi Gras sprinkles. So you're going to need purple, yellow, and green. And you'll need a cookie sheet, and you're going to make sure it's greased. Okay, let's get started. So first, we'll take our cookie sheet and we're going to form the cake with our cinnamon rolls. So here's my cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna form them into a circle so that it looks like a cake. So go ahead and start putting your cinnamon rolls on your plate, on your cookie sheet. There we go. Form our circles. You can add as many cinnamon rolls as you'd like, depending on how many cinnamon rolls you actually want and how many people you want to eat your cake. And just make sure it forms into the circle shape so that it looks like the king's cake. I'm going to add a few more here. And you can give them a little pat down, squish them down a little bit just so they stay in that shape. Just like that. Okay, and now you can see my shape. And you're going to bake that in the oven according to the instructions on your cinnamon roll package. So I'm going to show you, before I put that in the oven, one more way you can make these king's cakes. So let me take another baking sheet, and you can see I already started forming some here. And you'll take a cinnamon roll and you're going to unroll it just like this and connect the edges. Give it a little squish so it stays together, and you're going to roll it just like that. Go ahead and connect these two edges right here now and place it on your tray. And now you have individual king's cakes. So you're also going to bake those in the oven according to the instructions on your packet. So let's go ahead and bake those, and then I'll show you how to add the sprinkles and the optional baby. So after baking your cinnamon rolls, just make sure when you take them out of the oven, they're golden brown. This might take a little longer for your cake just because the cinnamon rolls are touching. So just make sure that it's golden brown. And this is how mine turned out. This is my cake. And these are my individual ones. Now we can start decorating. So one of the things that you can do with your cake decorating is you can add a small baby figurine. So this has many different interpretations for Mardi Gras. It could mean whoever finds the baby inside their slice is going to be crowned the king of the party and has to host next year's party, and also that they'll have a year of good luck. So you can go ahead and add that baby figurine inside of your cake if you'd want. And it's totally optional. It's totally up to you if you want to do that. And then you can start decorating your cake. So first, start with your glaze and go ahead and pour it over your cake. You can have a pattern going or just squish it in there, however you want. I'm just going to add all this icing in here. Okay. Just make sure every one of them gets coated in some of this icing. Okay. And then I'm going to move over here and take my other icing and coat my individual ones just a little bit. Give a nice circle of glaze in each one. Go. If your cinnamon rolls are a little warmer, the icing might spread a little easier, but it's slowly starting to melt as I'm pouring this icing on. There we go. And a little bit more. Okay. And one more. Get all the icing out of there. And now we can add our Mardi Gras sprinkles. So the the sprinkles are said to have different meanings depending on the color. So purple means justice, and green is for faith, and gold is for power. So you can go ahead and start sprinkling your sprinkles on there. I'm going to do a little pattern, so I'm going to do some purple and then some green and then some yellow or gold. Here we go, just get it all over there and just keep going around your cake just till the whole thing is covered. And some yellow. And my last one, purple, green, and yellow. Okay, and now my individual ones as well. We'll do some purple. Okay, we'll go ahead and do all of them in purple. Purple, 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 purple. Some green. And yellow. Okay. And this is how my king's cakes turned out. I'll go ahead and show you. This is my big one. All the different colors and the icing. And here's my individual ones. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.